Hi, I'm Ashley Kaminsky, a buyer at American Furniture Warehouse, and we're talking about small space bedrooms. This small space bedroom is not only warm and inviting, but has great use of mixed media and multifunctional furniture pieces. In a small space, you want your furniture to do double duty. This bed with the storage in the footboard is a perfect place to keep your extra sheets and blankets. A bookshelf is another great option because it takes up vertical space in the room. In a small space, you want to think about visually light furniture. This desk with the metal legs doesn't feel heavy in the room, and it also coordinates with the other furniture pieces. Just because you have a small space bedroom doesn't mean you need to skimp on style. This bedroom combines different furniture pieces to create a fresh, curated look.